The most unexpected moments caught on doorbell camera. CCTV footage captured a delivery driver getting out of his truck and bringing a package to a house when something unexpected happened. The driver's appearance attracted the attention of a dog who came outside and watched him from behind without him noticing. When the driver realized there was an aggressive dog behind him, he tried to stay calm and not pay attention to it. The dog appeared extremely aggressive. It barked and was wary of the driver. In an emergency situation, the man handled it extremely experiencedly when he just stood there and looked around, ignoring the dog's barking. And perhaps his method was effective when, after a while of not seeing any movement from